Hi everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of this new series where I'll be showing you how to use Adobe Illustrator in design projects. Today, we're diving into one of the most interesting tools in Illustrator, Make with Mesh. This technique helps add dimension and texture to your designs. If you're looking for a creative touch to level up your artwork, this one's for you. All right, let's get started. First, select the pen tool. Set the stroke back to default. Click once, hold Shift, move the mouse downward, click again, press V. Now you've got a straight line. Hold Option or Alt. Drag to the right to duplicate the line. Then press Command plus D or Control plus D to repeat the duplication. We're building the mesh pattern right now. If the lines look too tight, move the last line a bit further. Select all the lines. Click a line to space them out evenly. Now comes the key part. Select everything. Go to Object greater than Envelope. Distort greater than Make with Mesh. Set the number of rows and columns. The more detail you want, the higher the number. For now, I'll go with 4x4. Click OK. Now press A. Click on the points you want to bend. You can adjust individual points or drag across entire sections. Try bending it until you find a shape you like. Next, bring in your logo or text. I'll use some text as an example. Press T, click to type, then move it over the mesh. Find a spot you like. Right-click and choose Create Outlines. Then go to Object greater than Compound Path greater than Make. The color might disappear. Don't worry, just reapply the color so you can see it again. Now, select everything. Right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. Almost done. Note, you can't change the color just yet. If you want to adjust the pattern, press Command plus Z, tweak the mesh again, then reapply Make Clipping Mask. Next, go to Object greater than Expand. Check both Object and Fill. Click OK. Then go to Object greater than Expand again. This time choose Fill and Stroke and hit OK. Now head to the Pathfinder panel. If you don't see it, go to Window greater than Pathfinder. Click Crop and done. Now you can change the color. Try duplicating the shape and applying some colors. This kind of texture works especially well with gradients. Go ahead and experiment with it. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to save your work, and if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more. Thank you so much.